jogo, filhinha. Vou provar se eu gostei. Tá. Bom, que minuto você acha que você chega, Ti? O quê? Assim, eles foram tirar foto com esse. Hi guys! We're here and we're doing some pizzas. I didn't talk much with you guys, right? But yeah, we're just chilling here. I'm enjoying. Oi! Oi! Say hi! Hi everyone! We're gonna do some pizzas now. I'm gonna record a bit. Yeah, this is our kitchen. This house is amazing. Tomorrow morning I will like show you guys exactly what the house looks like, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoying. Bye bye. Tchau! Vocês ouviram? Nossa, que camada ridículo! Esse creme aqui.
Uma coisa, eu desejo que ela fumar uma coisa. E a outra é uma desejo. Ah, quer fumar uma coisa, eu desejo. Fez mais disso. Quer eu tirar alguma coisa daí? I go main.
Hã?
Mas não preguiça,
Aí tá
meio o quê? Meio assim, ó.
Então eu vou pegar essa aqui, essa aqui tem bastante. Tem outras pizzas também, mas. Ah, deixa eu ver.
Naquela terça-feira, 8h30 da noite, quando ela tomava banho, né?
Você acha que vai apaixonar fácil? Por quê? Que vai apaixonar fácil. Legal. Tá ligado? Porque a idealiza demais matéria. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday was headache. I couldn't like really talk to you guys, but I really want to show you the house that we got. Okay, so first there's the entrance, and then over here we have the kitchen. Then over here we have a little toilet and myself. Then we have a baby. We have all the like appliances, the fridge, and then there's the living room. There's Lottie. Say hi. And then I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but over there is the sea. Then when we go up the stairs here, we have the bathroom. This is also a toilet, and then we have the bathroom here. There's another mirror. You guys can see yourselves there. See? Then this right here is the shower. It's a normal shower. When you think about like Japanese, you think like really old stuff, but if I'm being honest, this is really Japanese for me. Like every single home here is like this. Boys will be boys, right? Then over here we have a little step, and more rooms. Today's really cloudy, so like it's really really dark. I'm gonna grab some clothes for Chloe because she's in her PJs right now. Today was awesome, like really awesome. I really enjoyed myself yesterday. It was nice. I didn't stay up for much. My friend stayed up until like 5 in the morning, but I just couldn't. I'm too tired for this, you know, so I stayed up until like 2:30 and then I came up to see Chloe and I just didn't came back. I think you guys saw it yesterday. We ate some pizza and Giovanna made some like calzones and they're eating here on the floor. But look what they just got me. It's Mother's Day. Look, my new earrings. Did you like it?
Acho que não gosta. É porque é elétrico, tem motor, né? Acho que é
Just got some coffee. This is a vanilla latte.
This is, I don't know, strawberry.
Yeah. Chloe is in the car sleeping with my friend because she fell asleep and didn't want to come, basically. But we're drinking some coffee, and I just wanted to tell you guys, like, yesterday was so cool. Like, I really like that my friends really understand me. They don't force me to like do things that I don't like. They know that I'm a really chill person, and I like that they respect this. I'm trying to pretend that they are not here, and I'm like complimenting them while they're here, but I'm trying to pretend they're not. But yeah, it was super nice yesterday. I only slept for like 4 hours, 5 hours, and I don't feel tired at all. They slept for like 2 hours, one and a half hour. But yeah, this vlog was like not a talking vlog, it was more like a silent vlog kind of type of way. But yeah, yesterday I was like so shy because of course everyone that was there like I liked, but there were some people that were invited like last minute and they were not so close to me, so I'm not like really comfortable by like talking in front of the camera with them. She had brain frizz. I think today's vlog is gonna end here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, it was different, but I really enjoyed like doing this kind of vlogs as well. And I know I've been MIA a little bit, but I don't know. I'm just dealing with stuff, and sometimes I just don't have it energy. Yeah. Bye. Love you. You gonna say bye?